Lesson number 27, 3.9, Writing Skill. Now we'll read the sentence and place comma sign in between word of same serial to give a soft pause while reading the sentence. A comma is used to separate words of same series and give a soft pause while reading. Fruits are good for health. I like to eat apples, mangoes, grapes, pineapples, pears, and guavas. Eating fruits will keep you strong, healthy, and active. Now see one more example. I would like to run, walk, swim, fly, sleep, and many more. Another one example. I like to eat banana, apple, chocolate, mango, watermelon, and so many fruits. Now you practice it well and show to your teacher.